Hey guys, don't mind these nails. I just ended up painting my nails and then I stopped. So sorry. I'm with my brother and my cousin. We doing black parents, but the first round is going to be me acting like look here, acting like I'm talking on the phone. And then we doing black. The first one we doing black parents, and it's me acting like I'm talking on the phone. So, I'm gonna need to. What? I'm using my cousin's phone for this one. Hello? I know this kid is bad. Mama! Let me call you back because these kids interrupting me while I'm on the phone. Can we get some pancakes? Don't y'all see me on the phone? Yeah, boy. Y'all know how to cook? But we only 5, 6, 7, 8. We're only 8 years old. But I raised y'all kids to cook yourself. You barely even know how to cook. You ain't no chef. That's why. Okay, so why you want me to cook? If I know how to cook. You do that. Nobody. You just told me I did it. You mean? But you don't know how to cook good stuff. Is that? You don't cook your own stuff. I'm grateful. Don't hit me. Hey, what you hit me for? You made anyway. Okay, the next one is white parents when you on the phone to your kids. Wait, don't start yet. I haven't even turned the phone on. Okay. Hello? Mama, give it the phone. I have to call you. Because my kids are hungry. What is it that you guys want? Okay. Here's the buzzer. The buzzer won't go, Mama. Yeah, you guys can get some food. Come on, let's go to the car. The buzzer. Here go the buzzer. Come on, let's go out to eat. Gang. I don't want to go out to eat. I want to stay here. Okay, come on. Okay, let's go in the kitchen. Okay. Okay. The next round is black parents when you try to take care of the wait. The next round is black parents when you try to take care of the youngest one of your kids interrupts you. Come on, let's go get a Baba. Come on, let's go get Baba. You mean, boy? Mama, you ugly. Hey, put you in this bed because these kids think I'm playing with you. But you still gotta take care of us. I'm trying to take him to sleep. You little. Go lay down somewhere. Get out of my room. Go. Get out. Get out. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4. Kids think I'm playing. Come on. Kids think I'm playing with you. Okay. The next round is white. The next round is white parents when you try to take care of baby. Come on. What's up, woman? Hey, I think you guys need to stop and just lay down. No, I don't care. I don't care. Lay down. I'm gonna get your daddy. Man, I didn't do it. It is. Are we doing a video? Oh. Bloopers. Okay, next round. No! They gotta take care of the baby. No, we already did that round. Okay. Next round is black. Next round. Okay, anyway. The next round is when you trying to. Is when the parents are trying to. You already know my password. Yeah, when y'all think he's trying to thingy. Give it to me. Oh, your passcode, I already did it. Okay, so next round is when it's black parents, and it's when the black parents are trying to text somebody and the kids interrupt you. Okay. You can text Shania or somebody. No, I'm not texting nobody in real life. Yes, ma'am. I'm not even ready yet. Next round. I'll turn this nigga off. Next round is white parents. Same thing. Hey, Mama, where the food? I'm hungry. Go get something to eat. We need you to cook. We don't even know how to cook. Dang. That's like a full big dookie. Okay, sit down. Well, why do you want some of my food? It's my full big dookie, you slow at it. Okay. That's like me. Okay, we're not doing white parents no more because I don't really know how to act like that. So, we're just gonna do black parents. So, the next, hold on, turn this on. Come on. So, the next round is black parents when you trying to take a nap. When the parents try to take a nap, but then the kids is what you talk about.
Rough child, but Mom, I need you to get your dirty clothes out of there so they don't get warm.
Okay.
I'm bringing them in the washroom real quick so start the roll clothes.
Talk about some food. Okay, so we're gonna start the round after I do my phone. Next round is when the parents try to take a nap and the kids interrupt you, either because their phone is loud or they're just yelling. So tomorrow you gotta get off the bed so I can take a nap. But it's fine. Y'all better not wake me up either. I'm not playing. Man, why you do that? You always doing something. What you did? You always doing something. You is too. You is. Hey, what y'all kids arguing about? Because it's Billy. Could he started up?
What's this banana?
Okay, here. Resume. Hey, we better break up this fight. Hey, I'm pulling over. Get out. Get out. You get out. Y'all need to learn how to get along with each other. I hear y'all yelling again. Y'all gonna get 2 licks. Y'all come in here. You first. What? You stay in there. Stay in there. What happened? What did I do? Come here. I'm not gonna whoop you first. I'm gonna talk to you first. So stand up. He got in trouble. Anyway, so what did he do? He started talking about you. I said, man, oh, you said don't talk about this? Okay. Yeah, I said don't talk about it. So this one is like, you come here. Get him for me, please. Boy, I think I'm playing. First kid, he said don't talk about this. This kid thought he was going to say don't talk about this. No. He's talking about yourself. He's talking about I thought I told you to go get some dessert while I was going. No, he was talking about you. He was talking about you. He was saying, get up. I'll give you 10 more licks. Get up. He said you was the worst mom ever. Get up. Get up. Stop hit me. Get up, little boy. Stop hit me. The next round. Okay. The next round is black parents, obviously, but it's going to be when your kids try to prank you when you sleep, and it's turned off. The next round is black parents. When your kids try to prank you. Why does this keep turning off? When your kids try to prank you. Yeah, when your kids try to prank you, and then you find out, and then you get mad and whoop them. That's gonna be the next round. So we just gotta wait on my brother. Gary! Come on, let's do the next round. Okay, the next round is when y'all try to prank me and I'm doing. What'd you say? I ain't doing it. I ain't saying it. I mean, not everything is true. That always happens. I don't think that's all the things that happen. So what are we gonna do with that? Oh, let's do shaving queen. Okay. Let's just go get the second piece.